Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete guide on creating Jira filters. So whether you're managing personal tasks or collaborating with your team, you'll know exactly how to stay organized and save time. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share tips to make your filters super effective. First, let's navigate to your Jira dashboard. Once you're on your work page, look at the top bar and click on the filters dropdown. From there, select View All Filters. This takes you to a master list where you can manage and create new filters quickly. Creating a new filter now, click on Create Filter in the All Filters view. This is where you define exactly what issues you want to track. Start by selecting the issue type, for example, epic, bug, story, or task. This ensures that only the relevant items show up in your filter. Setting criteria next. Refine your filter by setting the status. You can choose all in progress, done, or to do, depending on what you need to focus on. Then, select the assignee. If it's for your personal work, choose current user. For open team work, leave it unassigned. These steps make your filter precise and tailored to your workflow. Saving and naming. Once your criteria are set, click Save, Filter, and give it a clear descriptive name, like current bugs and stories. A good name is key because it helps you and your team instantly understand the filter's purpose without opening it. Remember, Jira filters aren't set in stone. You can revisit them anytime to tweak parameters as your projects evolve, keeping your workflow flexible and efficient. And that's it, a complete guide to creating and managing Jira filters. Now you can track issues smarter, save time, and make collaboration seamless. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and practical Jira tips.